This is a video reply for channel through Freya. This took an unexpected turn. Alright, to give you a heads up, for me personally, I'm having a fucking blast with the whole situation. I mean, imagine the people that wanted to go ahead and gang up on you, to go ahead and try to fucking murder you, to make some money, and to go ahead and steal your assets. Quite literally ended up setting up their own fucking trap. Like, for example, when I was in the coma, it seemed like the life insurance policy ended up being massively increased. Well, simultaneously, a whole bunch of debt ended up showing up in my name. Because people that are in a vegetative state can absolutely go on fucking shopping sprees and vacations and shit. And the funny thing is, wanting to go ahead and claim legal, that the coma never happened, yeah, that's not going to go ahead and fly because ultimately the amount of people that ended up going ahead and taking collections that were supposed to be towards my medical bills to help keep me alive end up going ahead and telling a whole different story. A whole different story that would end up going ahead and implicating on charity fraud, identity theft, obtaining property under false pretenses, and nobody could say that I fucking retaliated against anyone, because guess what? I was in the long nap, almost in the forever nap. So ultimately, the one person who a finger can't get pointed towards is the same motherfucker that motherfuckers ended up going ahead and telling to say night-night. I like the fucking position I'm in. I'm having a fucking blast knowing the fact that every single person involved, because keep in mind, co-conspirators also, people that enabled, people that sat by, they aided and abetted. If they had any prior knowledge to it. And then the factor, years later, there was an attempt to go ahead and run me off the road doing 70 and a 30. Oh, that would implicate the initial suspects. Because, life insurance policy. So, that being said, with all that, guess who the one fucking person that a finger can't get pointed towards and going ahead and saying, that's the criminal officer, that's the criminal judge? The same motherfucker that people spent over a decade trying to murder. I'm feeling pretty good, and like everyone else is about to get exactly what the fuck they had coming. And no one could say I retaliated because they did all that to themselves.